This video is going to be on the T.50 supercar. It is produced by Gordon Murray Automotive, and you might recognize that name because Gordon Murray was the designer behind the legendary McLaren F1. The T.50 has the same seat layout as the F1, with the driver in the middle and the passenger slightly behind. The T.50 will be using all UK sourced parts, and has a base price of $2.5 million, with only 100 units being made. They produced this in a purpose-built factory in Surrey, England, where the first delivery should be in 2022. The T.50 has a mid-engine 3.9-liter naturally aspirated Cosworth-GMA 65 Degree V12 that makes 650 base horsepower. It's the highest redline of any road car at 12,000 RPM because it doesn't have a flywheel. The T.50 is rear-wheel drive, and it has an H-pattern 6-speed manual with a limited slip differential made by Xtrac. It has a full carbon tub weighing in at just 2,160 pounds, or 980 kilograms. It is smaller than a new Porsche 911, and it has carbon ceramic brakes with monobloc calipers. The T.50 has a full-length diffuser with fan-assisted airflow for active ground effects and variable brake balance. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button. If you want to see me grow, hit the subscribe button, and comment down below any ideas that you might have. Thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you next time.